Alright, hi, how you doing? My name is Orlando Briones. I just want to show you what the Line 6 M13 can do. What I'm using right now is my Schecter C1 Classic with PRS number 7 pickups on bridge and the neck. And then I have the Steamboat Classic 18 amp with a special cabinet called the detuned cabinet. The Classic 18 from Steamboat is from a company here in Houston, and they custom tailor to whatever you need. So check them out, steamboatampworks.com. And then of course for the effects, I have the Line 6 M13, and it's running through a monster cable, one in the input, and then output straight to the low input of the Steamboat Classic. So here we go, let's go ahead and see what we got. Alright, to start off, here's my clean. This is a clean of my neck pickup. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to the bridge. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the different effects that we have. Actually, I have my Line 6 M13 set up to go from distortions all the way down to reverbs and delays. In the Line 6 M13 system menu, you can go ahead and switch that if you need to. You can go from right to left or left to right, and I just have it going the other way. So from distortions, modulations, delays, and reverb. So that's usually how I had my regular pedals, and that's how I wanted to set this up. So it's awesome that they have that. So I'm going to go ahead and use my clean bridge pickup. Let's go ahead and add some chorus. Here's some tremolo. Some sweep echo delay. Tape echo. Alright. Analog delay. We have a tube delay. What's awesome about the Line 6 M13 is that you can set the whole thing up to delays if you want. Let your amp do all the work in the distortions or any of that. If you have an effects loop, you can run that through it. So it's pretty cool because you can pretty much just have a whole delay board if you want to. And I know there's a lot of like YouTube fans that just want to just play nothing but delay. So that's what I like about this as well. Reverb. So that's what the cleans sound like, adding some subtle effects and stuff like that. Of course, there's a bunch of different effects in there, and you can change each one out individually. This is just what I have consistently been using. throughout my time, playing this. I've had this for about a year, and so far, man, I think it's great. So that's what the cleans sound like, and in the next video is going to be what the distortions sound like that I currently have on my board. All right, thanks. Take care.